Okay, so this exercise is a standing body weight abduction. Okay, so all I'm doing is just standing next to something that I can hold on to for balance. And I just want to kick one of my legs out as far as I can and then just come back and tap the ground. Okay, so I'm just kicking it out and then just kind of tapping back on the ground. And if you want, you really don't even have to tap the ground when you come back. If you want to just stay standing on that one leg and kick out with the other leg and not even let that other leg, that other foot touch the ground at all, that's fine too. That's a little more advanced. But if you want to come back and just tap the ground to give that leg just a little bit of relief, you can do that. That helps your other leg rest just a little bit, okay? But we're working the IT band here, the iliotibial band that runs down the outer part of the leg. Go out, give this a try, and make it a great day.